Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing another giveaway. I am giving away something every Friday in the month of November. It's my thankful giveaway. Thanking all of my subscribers for subscribing. I have some people who've been subscribing for a long, long time, and have seen the evolution of my channel. So I really, really appreciate you. So to be in the channel, to win, you have to be 18 years of age or older. You need to have a US address for this giveaway. And you need to be a subscriber because this is to thank my subbies. All you have to do is leave a comment and tell me what the favorite thing that you ate on Thanksgiving. Or if you celebrated Thanksgiving a different day. I know some people do that. Last year, I celebrated Thanksgiving on Friday. So what your favorite thing to eat or that you did eat on Thanksgiving. My favorite thing actually is my mom's stuffing. It is a recipe. My mom remembers her father making it. So it's a family recipe. And my cousins, my mom makes it also for Christmas. And my cousins come over and it's just very nostalgic because their father passed away about 20 years ago. And so they remember him making it. So it's very personal recipe and we all just love it. I'm a huge lover of gravy, so I drown everything in gravy. And I ate a lot. And I made a plate too, so I'm going to eat it today. I could have made like 5 plates, but I just made the 1 plate so that I'll be looking forward to it for Christmas Eve, where I probably will eat it for a whole week. Get my fill of it because I won't have it again until November. So anyway, this is my giveaway. All you have to do is just leave a comment, be a subscriber. Let me know what your favorite thing is that you ate or that you eat. If you have a special family recipe, I'd love to hear about that. Anyway, this is what you're going to win. So you're going to win these rub-ons, these stickers, and this Mary Mary card making pad from Pebbles. It's totally new and super cute. And you, of course, can just fold these up and use them as cards. You can alter them. You can add them into projects, put them in your December daily. They're really cute for stuff like that. Or in an album that you make. I love putting cards in my albums, so super cute. So this is the first giveaway. My goal is to have like 4 giveaways this weekend. I might do 5. It just depends on how organized I am, because today I'm going to go see Crimes of Grindelwald. So that'll be like a 3 or 4 hour thing with my mom, my sister, and my niece. So right now I'm in the middle of washing dishes and watching Fantastic Beasts. So I took a moment, I put the dog outside to go ahead and make a couple of videos to get that going. But I'm catching up on my Fantastic Beasts. I'm really looking forward to Crimes of Grindelwald because I need to see it before I go back to school because the kids will all be wanting to tell me about it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and being part of my channel. I really appreciate you all. So like I said, there's going to be probably, I know, at least 4 giveaways this weekend. I'm aiming for 5. We'll see how I do. So all of these giveaways will end next Friday. Next Friday, I will post the winners of all the giveaways, and I'll have my last giveaway, which will be very simple for me anyway, giveaway. Anyway, thank you, and I hope you guys have a great holiday weekend.